absorb that oil. It has tapioca starch in it to really intensify that oil absorption. So I hope you guys all get a chance to play with our incredible dry shampoos. Get a little bracelet for your phone and just have a good time. Your perfect dry shampoo is waiting for you. Thank you so much.
Exactly. Are all of these seats reserved? Or do we just sit anywhere? Because I'm blind. Oh, everything is reserved? Oh, someone's sitting here already? Wow. Okay. Because I'm really blind.
Your makeup looks amazing. Thank you. Freaking amazing.
I wonder. Are all of these seats taken? No. Okay. Right here? Yeah. Like trying to find good lighting.
My name is Sophie, aka The Oddity. I am your host for today. We are here at the Black Beauty Summit. Black women are gorgeous. All right, I see some incredible faces in the room. Today's gonna be amazing. But first, I know y'all need to be recording. Okay, I want to see this on Instagram. You're gonna be tagging Black Beauty Roster because we're
Period.
Instagram. Okay. So we're gonna be tagging Instagram too. We have an incredible day planned for y'all. Get ready, have your notes out, have everything out. We're gonna be taking notes. We're gonna be having a good time. And I'm gonna catch my breath after this. But first, I'm gonna be introducing someone truly special. This woman is behind the scenes, y'all, and she's always working. I've known this woman for a pretty long time, and every time I get on a call with her, just the strategy, the brain power, the passion for our topics, ourselves, the passion she has for Black women, for this industry is just incredible. I love her so much, and I'm just honored to introduce to you Maud Okra-Unter, the CEO.
Good morning.
For those that I have not had the pleasure to meet yet, my name is Maud Oker Hunter, founder of BBR.
Period.
I am excited to welcome all of you to the BBR Beauty Summit powered by Instagram. Let's give it up for Instagram. Amazing, amazing. And I would also like to take a moment to really thank all of our sponsors that are part of today. We could not make this day possible without you. Meta, Swancentric, Tarte, Coca-Cola, Orbe, WME, Ulta. Thank you all for your continued commitment to inspiring so many young professionals within the industry and ensuring that we are championing inclusivity. But what I do want to do is take a moment to speak to everyone in this room and let you know that today is about you. What we know is that a lot of times in the beauty, fashion, and TV and film industry, there's a lot of gatekeeping. And what we find is that with that gatekeeping, it disproportionately impacts negatively Black talent. Whether that be creators that make 35% less than their white counterparts in the industry, hairstylists, makeup artists, models, and actors. And what we want to do today is to kick down those gates. We want to take down those barriers to ensure that we're helping you to excel as fast as you can within the industry. That is one of the key things that we focus on with the work that we do with BBR. What we'll also be honest and transparent about is that we're seeing a number of companies and brands lean back from inclusivity. We're seeing them take a pause. And what I would like to tell you all is that today we are leaning in. We are doubling down on the importance of inclusion in beauty because we see its impact. We know its value. So my wish and hope for you today is that you leave here feeling inspired. We have some amazing, amazing, amazing panels, workshops. I hope that you leave here empowered. And I really hope that everyone in this room leaves here knowing that your presence and your voice in beauty matters. So thank you all so much for being here today. It means the absolute world to me. And with that, I am going to toss it back to Ms. Sophie. Thank you all so much.
Today's all about connecting, okay? So you should be putting your eyes, looking around, like, who do I need to connect with here? Because there's a lot of incredible people in this room. Super, super talented people. Again, if you don't know who I am, my name is Sophie. I go by the Oddity online. I do a lot of like fun, weird, crying online. I like to sort of overshare a lot because I really want to celebrate the fact that like I'm normal. We're all normal, but we're figuring life out. We're not perfect, but we're just figuring it out. Especially as creators in this space, especially as artists in this space. One of my biggest things is wellness in the beauty space. And
Yes! Wow, look at this crowd.
Are you nervous, guys?
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Say good morning to yourselves. What's up, people? Yes.
Gosh, we're good. Oh, you good? And oh my gosh, guys, thank you so much for joining us this morning. So I'm Emma, and I'm here with Vernon Francois. Love the French
lifestyle, my background. I went to law school, and so for a long time I shared a bit about my journey through that. And funny enough, about a year ago, I actually left my full-time law job because working with brands was actually a problem. And in a lot of corporate spaces, I think that's a thing, which is why I'm really excited to talk on this panel. I chose the working with brands, I chose the being an influencer, and I have never been happier. So just really excited to be here and talk about working with brands and just building your own brand too.
I love that. We love a well-rounded queen. Mikala.
My name is Mikala Warievi. I am a professional makeup artist and beauty expert.
Hey, friend.
My work spans a lot of different things. I do fashion, a lot of beauty campaigns, celebrity red carpet. I also consult with a lot of beauty brands on product development, imagery, and if you follow me at all, you know I'm an amateur history buff and love to talk about beauty at the intersection of culture, history, and politics.
Period.
Hi everyone, I'm Anna Manukian. I am head of education
inspiration and creative for Ulta Beauty. Thank you. And I spent 20 years on the brand side, actually. I spent 20 years at L'Oreal prior to joining Ulta, and so I have a lot of expertise in working with artists, of not only building artistic teams, but really leveraging the artistic expertise that all of you have with the brand vision and creating authentic connections. And really my, kind of passion and motto is there's enough for everyone to win. And so how do we create a mutually beneficial outcome? Because again, we all work too hard not to have enough. And so I'm really honored to be here today.
Yes.
Okay, so our first question, I would love to know, what is your approach when it comes
To me, it's been a part of my life forever. But my connection with makeup has been directly with my mother. She's a painter, she's an artist. And when I was younger, I used to dance. I was a ballerina, did that whole little thing. And my favorite part was not practice and all of that, it was the recital. But not because we got to show off our talents, but because my mom got to do our makeup on stage. And I remember one time, she did myself and my sister, and then all the other moms were like, can you do our daughters too? And by the end of like 30, 40 minutes, she had done all the girls in our dance troupe, whatever, and she was like this hero with one little fashion fair palette.
Yes.
They had that rice paper color, like that's what I'm talking about. And I saw her make up, and it wasn't just all black girls, it was girls of all colors, and she did it, and they were just like, and I was like, oh, you did that with a palette, you did that with makeup, and then watching her paint and, her showing me color theory and how to hold a brush, so that's really my origin. It's been stamped in my head like forever, so my mama.
So beautiful. I feel like as an editor and a beauty director, I'm always thinking about the storytelling in each of your stories. And what you all just proved is that as women, we all contain multitudes, and we're dynamic and we're multi-layered. And so I would love for you all to share, what was the inflection point in the moment when you were like, okay, I'm an artist, and I'm not just an artist, but I can also monetize my passions into something that's profitable? Because I think we're all in the season of investing in ourselves. So what did that moment look like for you in terms of really taking your brand and turning it into a full-blown business?
I think there's a lot of different moments. The first moment, I would say, I think it kind of, you think about it from where you are in your life. When I first started doing makeup, I was broke with 2 kids, right? So all I could see was my next meal. So